power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel,
13,000.
odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, ventilated and heated rear seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, deployable bed step, 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number
D6700.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.